want to organize your pantry without spending a lot of money, then you should watch this video.
Hey there, Dhee here from The Mom Life. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, I genuinely appreciate your support. I've been wanting to organize my pantry so bad, but the beautiful jars and the bins I see on Pinterest are so expensive. So I figured, why not try to go window shop and see if I can organize my pantry with $50 or less products, but still keeping that expensive look. So today, I'll show you how I transform my pantry on a budget. Clean, declutter, and organize with me. First, I need to clean out the whole pantry so we can start fresh. And oh, in this video, you'll see my very sweet son Jaden helping me out. Like mommy, like son. Oh geez, short girl problems. And now that everything was taken out, let's go ahead and wipe down the shelves. I'm now ready to organize. Let's get this on. These are all the foods, condiments, and drinks from the pantry. Imagine going through all these things when your pantry is not organized. Yep, that was before, not anymore. So these are the things that I'll be using to organize. I bought some from HOMEGOODS and some from the dollar store. I link similar products below. This chalkboard label is from Amazon. I started labeling our bins and jars and it changed my life forever. These soda bins are perfect to organize canned goods. I bought 7 for $1 each. This Tupperware are $1 each from Dollar Tree. I will use this to separate snacks. These bins are from Dollar Tree, perfect for a packet of spices. And these $5.99 dividers from HOMEGOODS are perfect for organizing packets of powdered drinks. These small Lazy Susans are $2.99 each from HOMEGOODS. I'll be using this for my spices. These big Lazy Susans here are $6.99 each, and it's also from HOMEGOODS. These are great for condiments. I spent a total of $49 for everything. Now, on to cleaning the things that we will be using. First, I removed all the stickers, then I washed every single container. Tip for successful organization: envision what you want your pantry to look like. My plan is to have all white and clear containers with some baskets for aesthetic look. I'll be putting my son's milk on the very bottom shelf so he can reach it. Grab and go. Make sure to write down the expiration date of the foods that you transferred on the back of the packets and jars. Last step is to label so your husband will not be asking you what's in that jar every single time. By the way, this is from IKEA. I think it's $2.99. It's a plastic bag organizer, very useful for organizing your plastic bags. I hope this video helped you get an idea on how to clean and organize your pantry on a budget. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and share them with your friends. I'll appreciate if you subscribe and be part of the Mom Life family. See you on my next video.